So what do we do after a fun day on the CanAm?
We go have ice cream.
Going to St. Regis for the best huckleberry milkshakes ever.
Oh, they are so good. We are going to St. Regis and have milkshakes.
Huckleberry milkshakes. We're going to the St. Regis Travel Center. They have the best huckleberry milkshakes, they say, ever.
They do.
Ever, they say.
And I haven't tasted any other ones, but they're pretty darn tasty.
Yep.
I like them.
So hopefully it'll be good.
Did you enjoy the ride today?
I had a great time on the ride. How about you?
It was really fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
Although we headed up to Stark Mountain Lookout, which is a historical fire lookout in the National Forest.
And we've been wanting to go there.
Yeah.
So we did today and got all the way up. How close to the top?
We got up to we were 2 miles away, and the gate was closed and locked
For the season.
for the season. So
we have to do it next year.
we had to turn around and come back.
Yeah.
And I did a little research, and they closed that gate on September 14th.
Oh, did they? Oh, okay.
They did. That's just when it closes.
All right.
They actually, I guess, have a ranger up there to give tours.
Oh, really?
That's what I understand.
Can you imagine driving that every day?
I think he stays up there, or she stays up there,
Oh.
or whatever.
It's a pretty good climb.
Yeah, we got up to 6,000 feet, and the lookout is actually at 70. I think it's 72 or 7,300 feet. So it's fun.
Yes, it was so pretty.
But I had a great time. It was a fun time on the ride.
Yeah, it was fun. And we're about ready to wrap up Montana for this trip anyway. And what a great way to wrap it up with going and getting some milkshakes.
That's right. So we're off.
Best shake ever. Hello. Ever.
Best shake ever.
Yes.
All right.
You're covered? Yeah, I want 1 for here and 5 to go. Just kidding.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Wow, what a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning in Montana. Love these early morning chills. I mean, summer's gone, fall is coming, but it's just absolutely beautiful. So I was washing the rig the other day, and as I was walking around doing some inspections, I discovered one of my tires on my RV has got a flat spot. And so it's down to minimum tread wear in one spot. The rest of the tires look good. So I don't know if it's an alignment issue or a tire issue, but I've got a brand new spare that I'm gonna put on because we've got over 3,500 miles coming up. And I'd just soon put the spare on, feel better about it, and then use the flat one as an emergency spare. So time to change a tire. All right, the tires changed, and the walk around is done. It's a beautiful travel day.
It is. It's gorgeous.
So we're gonna hit the road and head back to Spokane. We're gonna hook up here in a second. I kind of liked this trip. This was fun.
We got a lot done.
We did get a lot done, and we had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So anyway, it's supposed to be 81 in Spokane today.
Summer just keeps extending. It's hanging on every last.
So we're gonna go back
breath.
to Spokane and celebrate another birthday and say our goodbyes to family, and then we're gonna head south. So let's hook up and get ready to go.
Okay.
Arms open wide with a life to call our own. Ooh, let's run away. Ooh, never be afraid. We can go anywhere. We can go anywhere. 'Cause we got the world and we can go anywhere. reaching up to the sky. The light in our eyes, it won't give way to the night. We'll keep on reaching, reaching up to the sky, reaching up to the sky. We can go anywhere, we can go anywhere, 'cause we got the world and we can go anywhere. So where do we go? We can go anywhere, we can go anywhere, 'cause we got the world and we can go anywhere. So where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
On the road again.
I had that same song in my head.
Well, you should have sang it.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
Back on the road.
We are. We've made this trip how many times?
A few.
Quite a few times.
Yep.
This summer. And I'm glad we did.
Yep. This has been fun.
Yeah.
That trip was fun. It was a short trip, but it was a lot of fun. We got a lot done.
We did. We got a CanAm ride in and Mexican train, and it was good. It was
Got a
fun.
lot of projects accomplished. I got the solar put up. I got the rig washed. I got the tire swapped out. Got some lube done.
Yep. And I purged stuff, and
Yeah.
very good. Woo! Bouncy.
So, like I said before, Montana's my happy place.
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
Back to Spokane for one more birthday and to say our goodbyes.
It's your birthday coming up too,
Well, that's true.
so we'll have 2 birthdays to celebrate.
And then we're going to say our goodbye. Well, we're going to leave before my birthday.
Yeah, but we'll still celebrate.
Oh, okay. So then we get to say our goodbyes to the grandkids and our daughter and her husband and our son and my mom and dad. And then we get to get on the road again.
We will.
Traveling.
Wow, it went by. This summer went by really fast.
We got a lot done.
Yeah, we did. I think that's the reason, because we
Yeah.
were so busy all the time.
We've been very, very busy.
Yeah.
All right, so let's focus on the drive here and get down the road. Should have had you make sandwiches.
I did make sandwiches.
Oh, good.
I did. I take care of you.
Oh, good. And the river's pretty.
It is.